the bear life.
Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video. So today we are headed to the reason why we came to Prague here at Christmas time in December. The reason we are braving minus temperatures even in the afternoon, because we are headed to the Old Town Square just 2 minutes away from our apartment to see Prague's biggest Christmas market. You know, this one has been on our bucket list since forever, and the market is magical, like magical. You want me to show you a glimpse? It's like this. And you know, it's the Old Town Square is basically where most of the important things of Prague are. On one side is the Lady of the Tin Church. On one side is the St. Nicholas Church. There is the old town hall and the town tower. And in the middle of it all is the largest Christmas market of Prague. Just one of many that we are going to see on this trip. But it is the first one. Yeah?
Yes.
Oh wow, I see the market.
I think I want to eat some very good stuff today.
Can you hear the carols?
I want the mulled wine. Then I want the chimney cake. Then I want hot dog. Then I want the corn. I'm saying let's start with some food stalls. You'll have beer?
Yes.
Okay. Hi. Can I get one Pilsner beer? Everyone's accepting cards.
Come, let's finish our beer. Let's get some more things then. Market is actually picking up. You know, this is only 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Of course, the lights are in full effect in the evening. You know, fun fact, Pilsner is actually a Prague beer. The brand was started in, it's a Czech beer. This is the St. Nicholas Church. That is the clock tower, the town hall tower. That is the Lady of the Tin Church. And all around us is Christmas cheer. So like in any good market, there's endless options to eat, drink and be merry. We found the finest chocolate place, tasted, sampled and bought back some of Prague's finest. What do you get?
Fish.
Yeah.
Yes. Fish strips with lime sauce.
Which one's your favorite? There's too many options.
Yeah, everything is sweet and so good.
Yeah. Which one is your favorite if I had to pick one?
Dubai chocolate.
Or the Ferrero marzipan?
Yeah, Ferrero marzipan is really good. Also, pistachio, raspberry.
I think these are some metal things. Like there are bells. See, there are bells.
And you know, behind is this nicely done chariot. It's so cozy inside, you know, like a Christmas. We got the classic, a Viennese bratwurst. It's like a hot dog with mustard sauce. And before the wine or the shopping, we sat and finished it off. Imagine now, this is the Old Town Square where we are right now. That is the church, which is there.
Mad Daddy.
Yeah, that is the church.
This
is the St. Nicholas Church, which is here. And this is the beauty of Old Town. This is what it is. Let's go back in the market now. Let's see, we have a lot more to explore. Let's go find something else. In the middle of the market is this one platform where you can actually walk up and you get an entire view, a little aerial view of the market. Come, I think it's going to look amazing, man.
It's December again, I can't believe it.
You know, these medieval towers have witnessed Christmas markets here since the 1500s. It is a tradition rooted to prepare for the cold months through the winter markets, where music, entertainers, arts and craft merged with sacred celebration.
Calling all angels high.
Best thing ever about coming to Europe.
What is it?
Chimney cakes. The filled dumplings. I want to try that with some mulled wine. Hi, can I get one regular mulled wine?
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe.
The amount of food I have eaten inside today was next level.
So of course we can be at the Old Town Square for the entire day, and we will come back here later in the evening once the lights settle down. It's gonna glow even better. But for now, let's head to yet another Christmas market, just a short walk away, and we're gonna reach Wenceslas Square. It is the local Christmas market of Prague, and of course walking through the beautiful old town. It's a merry, merry Christmas. So walking through the lanes of Old Town has to be my most favorite thing to do here in Prague. There's cobblestone streets, vintage cars, there's artsy corners, and then there's gothic restaurants. So Wenceslas Square is basically the most expensive street in Prague, and it's where all the brands and all the ultra luxury brands are located.
Which we are coming tomorrow.
We are coming only to H&M.
No, we're coming tomorrow.
No, but the street is beautiful, and of course there's another small Christmas market at Wenceslas Square. There's also an ice skating rink. Of course the ice skating is killer, and you know everyone's trying. You can also try it in case you're a beginner. You get those things to hold and walk across the ice. It is in the middle of the square, and the market starts right behind it. But this is so much fun, you know, I could stand here and watch people fall all day.
Like some of them know really well, na?
That one guy is killing it, bro. Like this guy, the black guy. I'll show you, see this.
Namaste, it's not Namaste, it's Namaste Miru.
Yeah, I keep saying Namaste Miru. Listen guys, for the remainder of this trip, we are in Czech, Germany and Netherlands. I'm sorry for my pronunciations.
It's mini pancakes with strawberry, berries and Nutella and banana.
So the main street is lined up with stalls full of Christmas goodies. There's food, there's shopping, and the forever camera floating. There's more than 100 stalls here and all local. Honestly, Prague remains stunning all year round, and to take in the winter months here is not for everyone. But if you manage to ever be here for Christmas, you'll see the city sparkle. And the best part, it's not even night yet. So the Haval market or the Havel market, I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is not a Christmas market. This is like the local daily market in Prague.
This is a regular market.
I don't know what to say, but Prague has gotten even more magical. We just got back from the market, got outside, entered into a market, and we are like, whoa! You know, it's still early days in this trip. It's only our third night. Tomorrow we leave from Prague and we go into Germany. Christmas is going to keep going on. It's 12 days of Christmas. But I have to say, Prague has won our hearts, like seriously. Of course, we expected the markets to be pretty. We expected the city to be magical, but nothing like this. It was worth braving the freezing weather. It was absolutely worth it. And now that we have to leave tomorrow morning, so onwards and outwards.
Let's go to Paris for Christmas.
iPhone boxes, Christmas presents. Look there.
You know, a rumor says that Walt Disney came to Prague and was inspired by the Lady of the Tin Church. These legends, all of these are century-old monuments. And come now, we're going to walk towards the astronomical clock and climb a lot higher, go to the old watchtower and give you a glimpse of what the Christmas market looks like from up top. Let's go.
Troubles away. Let's go to Paris.
So basically there are two options. You can choose to walk up the entire tower, or you can take the elevator up to the top. The prices are 900 crowns and 700 crowns. So we are choosing to splurge because it's already been a day of 20,000 steps. I think let's take the elevator right now.
I think we deserve as much.
This is how you guys have to be dressed when in Prague.
To Charles de Gaulle out of St. Louis Lambert Field. So let's make a clean getaway and not come back till New Year's Day. Let's go to Paris for Christmas this year. Let's go to Paris for Christmas this year.
Come, let's get some Aperol. Let's chill, hang around the market a bit, and then head home. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're enjoying all the videos. If you are, leave a like. Please subscribe to the channel. And if you don't want to, Merry Christmas to you.
Paris for Christmas this year.
It's been a long and tiring day. But you know, I have to say there is something about the colors of Prague at night. That yellow and orange hue throughout the city. But honestly, the whole city shines in like yellow and orange even without Christmas. Wow, man. Prague is just stunning. You know, it's only 5 o'clock, but it's all dark.
Let's go to Paris for Christmas this year. Paris for Christmas this year.